If the soak and spin lights begin blinking on your Speed Queen washer, the machine is usually signaling a system interruption or imbalance during the wash cycle. These indicator lights often appear when the washer detects an issue such as an unbalanced load, a lid lock problem, or a temporary control board glitch. The washer pauses the cycle to prevent damage to the drum or motor. Fortunately, in many cases the issue can be cleared by redistributing the load, checking the lid lock, or performing a quick reset of the washer. Try these. Step 1. Press the Start. Pause button to stop the cycle and allow the washer to pause safely. Step 2. Open the lid and redistribute the laundry evenly inside the drum to correct any imbalance. Step 3. Check that the lid closes firmly and the lid lock mechanism is not obstructed. Step 4. Turn the washer off and unplug it for about 1 minute to reset the control system. Step 5. Plug the machine back in and restart the wash cycle to confirm the blinking lights are cleared.